This is the single biggest reason a professional locate succeeds where free websites fail, and it is worth understanding. When you apply for credit, the top portion of your credit file, your name, current and prior addresses, date of birth, and phone, is called the header. It sits above the account and payment information, and it is treated differently under federal law. The financial detail below is a consumer report, tightly restricted by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The identifying header, under long-standing interpretation, may be provided for permissible purposes without constituting a consumer report. That matters enormously because credit header data updates whenever someone applies for anything, opens an account, or updates a file, making it one of the most current address sources in existence. Access is restricted to credentialed users with a documented permissible purpose, which is exactly why no free site can show it to you. It is also why we verify your purpose before we run a search. If you want more honest explanation of how this industry works, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.